welcome to Storybook Crochet. I'm Heather, and today I'll be guiding you through creating the extended single crochet stitch. This versatile and easy stitch works up quickly, making it ideal for a variety of projects like blankets, gloves, and socks. So let's gather all of our supplies and we'll get started. Alright, for today's tutorial I am just using a worsted yarn in a light blue, and I'm using an H hook, but you can use any yarn and hook size that goes with that to complete the project that you're wanting to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and make your slip knot, and then you're going to chain any number of stitches. I will put up on the screen here a chart for blanket sizes if you would like to measure your chain to create a certain size blanket using this stitch. That will be available up on the screen for you to complete the chain of the size that you're needing. Alright, so moving on to row number 1, we're going to start in our third chain from our hook. So you're going to count 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to make our first extended single crochet in that third chain. So you're just going to insert your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through. Alright, so you have 2 chains or 2 loops on your hook now. You're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Do not pull through that second loop, so just pull through the 1 loop. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and that is how you create an extended single crochet. So after that first extended single crochet, you're going to then repeat that in each chain across. So I'll show you again how to create the extended single crochet. So in the next chain, we're going to insert our hook, we're going to yarn over and pull it through. We'll have our 2 loops on our hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop there, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through both of the loops on your hook. So there is our second extended single crochet. So for row 1, you're going to do that in every single chain. So I'll show you one more time here real quick. So insert into the next chain, yarn over and pull your yarn through. Yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Alright, so go ahead and create your extended single crochets across for row number 1. Alright, so after your last extended single crochet in your last chain there, this is what row 1 should look like. Okay, so moving on to row number 2, at the end of each row, you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to turn your piece over. So this chain 2 counts as an extended single crochet for each round. So after you turn, you're going to go into that next stitch there and create another extended single crochet. And then you're just going to repeat that across. So it's very simple, just using the extended single crochet instead of a regular single crochet makes the height of each row a little bit taller, and it works up a little bit faster than you would using a regular single crochet. So for row 2, you'll just complete your extended single crochets across until you get to the very end. Once you get to the end of row 2, your last stitch will be completed in that chain 3 that we made at the very beginning. So you're going to just go ahead and make your last extended single crochet in that very last chain there from the beginning of row number 1. So again, once you have completed that last stitch, you're going to chain 2, turn your piece over, and then you're just going to create your extended single crochets across. So you'll skip this first one, go into the second stitch here, create your extended single crochet, work your way across, and your last stitch will be at the top of that chain that you made from the last row. and that is the simple extended single crochet stitch. It just makes a nice texture for your blanket or whatever project that you're using to create this stitch with. As always, thanks for joining me. Let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this tutorial, and you don't want to miss my playlist of crochet stitch tutorials. I will link that up above so you can check out my other videos. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.
Take me home and give me wings to fly. We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run